Hello guys, good day to you all. So welcome to the module 3 of EKS and K3S. So let's go through what we actually already did. So we have already created a headless service, we have created a namespace, we have created a config map, and in last module we created a pod master deployment. So get EO, and here we'll just inspect that pod. We'll just check what and all is like, what is the state. We'll check what is the log. So kubectl get logs minus f, or you can use directly the pod name which we already created. So it's logs. So it started giving you the logs and master got started. So we can go inside the pod kubectl exec minus ti $pod and this. So curl is there, curl localhost 9200. This should give you the name of the cluster, and it should also give nodes. So there should be only one node over here, and star says it's a master node. So yeah guys, now in this module we are again going to focus on another node type called a Datanode. So here let's go to Datanodes folder of my and see the config map. So in this config map your cluster name remains the same. Network host address is the address on which this guy Elasticsearch host is going to bind, and this is the service we already created. I am going to use a single headless service, and yeah, so here you can see the node.data is true, and I'm using 512 MB as a JVM to be passed to Elasticsearch. So let's create a config map. So create a config map, we just do kubectl create minus f config map, and we are going to create a Statefulsets. So Statefulsets, because I want this data node to be created as Statefulsets, and Statefulsets requires a service name. So here I have used ES master, so I just need to edit this. Let's make it as ES. So Statefulsets, go here and it should point to a ES, the one which you already created. It should be ES, and all the other labels, all the other specifications are same as the deployment which we created. We are using the 6.6.5.0, and here we are using empty dir as a data directory. So we have a data directory over here, and we are mapping it to empty directory. So you can use the storage class and the provisioner accordingly, whichever you want. You can use any cloud provisioner to provision your data directory for Elasticsearch. So I am using integer to in my local. Yeah, so let's create the kubectl create minus f Statefulsets. So things gets created, kubectl get O. Yeah, and if you want to know more about Statefulsets, you can go and see the Kubernetes documentation. It's really a great thing. They have a unique ordered deployment, unique order of they have identity. Yeah, one more thing. Why there is a service name attached to the Statefulset? Just to provide a network identity. So let's just go and see kubectl describe OES-data-0. So this is taking time, guys. Yeah. Okay, cool. It is in, yeah, it has created the ES data. It is also created the container, but it is saying the readiness favored. So maybe it will take time to come up. Yeah, you can just do debug furthermore. You can just see the logs. ES-data-0. So some logging configuration. We are just trying to see if we can find the reason. Yeah, I think it got started, and it will take some time to have one by one ready stuff, and then when that is there, we can just go ahead inside a container again. That is cube-exec prod, that is a master container. Since it didn't restart, the pod name didn't change, so call localhost 9200 and just do cat nodes. So I should ideally see 2 nodes, but the other one didn't join here. It should actually, let's wait for this to be 101. So let's open a new terminal. Let's zoom -s kubectl get for pods. Okay guys, this is it for this module. So in next module we'll inspect the status since it is taking time, and then we'll provision ES client node, and then we'll create a service, and we'll start seeing what are the node status and what is the current status, and we'll also see the logs, and then we'll go and provision a Kibana. So that's it for this guys. See you in next module. Thank you.